These are the Unit 26 vocabulary words. The first one is a challenge word, and it's assess. Assess is to estimate the value of something. For example, it could be you could assess property for taxation, or a teacher could assess to see how much you have learned from a topic. Adolescent. An adolescent is a boy or a girl, especially a teenager, in the stage of growth and development right between childhood and adulthood, so kind of where you are right now. The third one is accumulate. Accumulate is to gather together, to pile up or to collect. So sometimes a lot of people's desks accumulate with a lot of papers. Affinity. Affinity is a natural attraction or a liking towards something. And appropriate. Appropriate means it's suitable for a particular person, condition, occasion, or place. It means that you're being proper. If I can get this down. Okay, the next one comes from math, and it's supplementary. Supplementary. It basically means that you have two angles that when you add them together, their sums are exactly 180 degrees. On the other hand, you have complementary. Complementary angles are two angles that when added together, their sums are exactly 90 degrees. And I remember supplementary with straight angles, and straight angles are 180 degrees. And I don't have any tricks for complementary. A straight angle is an angle whose measurement is exactly 180 degrees. So this is just one. And actually a straight line is 180 degrees. So a straight angle is 180 degrees. A right angle is an angle whose measurement is exactly 90 degrees. A vertical angle, you think of like vertical, a V, and they're angles that are directly across from each other. And when angles are directly across, not next to, but across to each other, they are always equal to each other. An acute angle are any angles whose measurement is less than 90 degrees. You remember less than 90, they're smaller angles, so they're acute angles. And obtuse angles, obtuse, the word just sounds bigger, is any angles whose measurement is greater than 90 degrees. A trireme, these are social studies now, a trireme is a gallery or a boat with 3 rows or tiers of oars on each side, one above each other, and they're used mainly as a warship. Hellenism is a culture that was a blend of Greek ideas and different traditions of Africa and Asia in ancient times. And then finally, Alexandria. Alexandria was a city in Egypt that was founded in 332 BC by Alexander the Great.